In recent days, the activity was off towards the west, but today southeast Nebraska got a share of the action. Still raining in the capital city at this point. You see a few raindrops on the camera lens over our Groundworks camera a few hours ago. This was a real impressive shot facing north with that supercell thunderstorm, all that lightning off towards the north. We'll also take a live look downtown over our Allen Communications camera. You can see the roads reflecting light there, so we got some very wet roads, a few cars driving in downtown near Allen Communications. So here's statewide storm reports today. And honestly, it includes just a little bit of the Colorado storm reports. So all those tornado reports you're seeing, those are all in Colorado. 126 in this red box right here, most of the state of Nebraska, and again, just a little bit of northeast Colorado. But 85 hail reports, 6 thunderstorm wind damage reports, 31 wind gusts reports, and 4 tornadoes reports, but that was mainly in northeast Colorado. So a lot of severe weather to contend with across the state of Nebraska today. At this point, we have a line of thunderstorms moving into far southeast Nebraska. Now, that tornado warning we brought to you at the top of the newscast, that has been allowed to expire, but we have a new severe thunderstorm warning in its place. The potential for up to 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts with this just to the east of Chester, and now this is eventually going to move into Jefferson County. We did have a 71-mile-per-hour wind gust report out in Ruskin, so this is producing quite a bit of wind just to the south of Hebron. Here are the wind velocities. See a lot of bright colors here hinting at a lot of wind mixing down to the surface. That certainly is the concern here, and I am identifying just a little bit of area of rotation right there. It'll be interesting to see whether or not a tornado warning will be issued on this before the end of the newscast. The Weather Service did tornado tag this severe thunderstorm warning, basically meaning that at any point something could spin up, and I certainly see that possible with the outflow from this thunderstorm here. So this will be something we're watching closely. Now, we do have a severe thunderstorm warning out for Gage County, even going in towards Pawnee County as well. One just off towards the east as well, out towards Nebraska City. Now, the concern towards Beatrice is for quarter-size hail and 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts. This severe thunderstorm warning is in effect until 11 o'clock tonight, affecting just under 20,000 people. Eventually, this will move off towards the southeast near Barnston, going into southwestern Pawnee County. Right now, it looks like this will take it just to the southwest of Pawnee City. But here's the activity. The brunt of the severe weather is about where I'm waving my hand here, but behind all this activity we have something called a trailing stratiform region. So we're still seeing light to moderate rain behind all the heavy rain, leading all this light rain. And with this we could have the potential for a little bit of flooding concerns. So as the evening wears on, we may have to contend with that here in Lincoln. We did have a report out in Friend of some roads flooded. So if you're traveling out near Friend, definitely keep that in mind. Rainfall today, 4,300 so far at Lincoln Airport, 0 in Beatrice. That'll change very soon once this number updates from the thunderstorm moving on by there. More rain off towards the southwest, about 8/10 of an inch near Hastings, with higher amounts just dodging the airport locations. Some of these locations that we're seeing here, all these reds indicating 2 inches for rain. That's likely an overestimate due to hail that we were picking up on radar. So a severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect for the yellow shaded counties till 1 a.m. tonight. These will likely get whittled out pretty darn soon as this storm system pushes off towards the southeast. Stormcast shows these storms pushing off towards the southeast in the overnight hours. We're likely done with all this by 1 a.m.